Hello everyone. Imagine that it's Friday night today and you have worked on the entire week and now you are hungry at the evening. You open your favorite food delivery app and you select your favorite food item that you want to place an order. You click a place order. The app says searching for a delivery partner. At this moment, what is happening? Has a delivery partner has been assigned? No, it is in a process, like it is searching for the delivery partner. That the and does that means that delivery partner is someone? No. Does it mean like it is a zero means the no? Does it mean an empty string or something? Again, no. It simply means that no delivery partner has been assigned yet. There is no value at this moment, and in Python that exactly what none means. And today you will understand one of the Python most important special values, and that is none type. Through this example, I will do some hands-on on this. Why none type is different from zero and empty string. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code and do some hands-on on this. So let me share my screen and create some value. So I think my screen is now shared, and let me go and create some values. Something like now you are creating you have created, you want to, like you are ordering a food for the first time. You have to sign up. So for sign up, it is asking your age, and your age you are giving as 28, and it is again asking for name. Let me select my base parameter name. It is asking name is equal to, I'll give something as Rishabh. And your location is something, your city or something you give. Pune I am giving. So it is storing a value, but something like if I am able to log in or not is logged in underscore in is equal to I am logged into my app. So it is true. True will be a capital. So yes, these are the value which I am able to store. It is a integer type, it is a string type, it is also a string type, and it is a boolean type. If you want to check the type, you can do that. Like again, I will go and type age. So it is giving me int. Again here type name string. Again I will go and check the type of this location. So it is giving me again a string, and I will check the type of this. Type of is underscore log underscore in. So it is giving me Boolean data type. So in this way, these are the different data types which we are available. But there is something like simply nothing to store if you want to do. So we can have a none data type. So how to do this? So none, and I will check the let me store this none in some variable. So n is equal to none, and now I will check the type of n. So type of n is none type. It is not a anything, not a string. But if you write the none inside a double quotes, it will become a string. So these are some of the mistakes which beginners do. They are inserting none inside a double quotes and it become a string. So this is some of the mistake you should avoid. So this is called a none type, and none is not also a zero. Some mistake which you do, x is equal to 0 if I am saying. So if there is, it doesn't mean like if you have 0 rupees in your pocket, so in your purse, so it in your account, so it doesn't mean that you have none, but the amount is 0. but it is not a none type. So x is equal to 0 if I am giving and I am checking the type of x, so it will be a integer. But when I give a value as none, so then only it will give type of as a none type. So the value here x is equal to none is of a none type, but if you are giving a value as 0, so it will not be considered as none type data type, it will be considered as 0. So suppose like in first, if you are account here, so it is the value is 0 rupees, and it can also go into minus something, so it will also be integer type. Now if I will go and create some empty list, so the list will be an empty one, but it will not be a none type. Let's say suppose I am creating a empty list, so it is giving me a list, but it is not a none type. So and again I'm going, so none I'm doing, and just so there is no value assigned. So let's go and I will give some example of this food delivery app only. So initially what happened, like there was no delivery partner assigned, so but still now, like suppose if you have ordered the food and the delivery partner has not been assigned yet, so it does not mean that it will not be assigned in future also, but at current situation it is a no one has been assigned. But in future, if someone accept that delivery partner accept, so then you will see that delivery partner has been assigned and he will be delivering your food at that time when you have ordered. So in this way, like suppose I am creating a delivery partner, delivery underscore partner is equal to none at the moment, but later what happened, after 2 minutes or something, some delivery partner has been assigned, so it will give me suppose delivery partner is equal to resub. So now what happened, the value will be updated from none type to, if I will check here, escape B, and here I will type of delivery partner and again run this code and check the type, so it is a none type, but now the delivery partner has been assigned. Now I will check, so type of again delivery partner, so it will give me a string. So in this way, like you can use a none type if you know that the value can be updated later. So in this way you can assign a none, so you don't have to assign a 0 because it is a hard coded. So in that way you can assign a none data type, where like and some more example if I will give, so where you can use this none type. Suppose you have created a Instagram profile or something as a YouTube profile, and you haven't uploaded your profile picture. So it doesn't mean that you don't have any profile, like you will not upload any profile in the future, but right now it is having a none. So in that way, in that also this none type can be used. So and later if you have uploaded the picture, so it can tell that profile picture is equal to something as my picture.png. So in that way it can be updated later. So let's go and create something like this, the something like for the delivery for all app only. So I am creating, like first initially my delivery partner is none, and I am giving if delivery partner is none, delivery partner is none, so I am printing. So in that app it will show searching for partner, searching for partner, for delivery partner. Else what I will do, partner has been assigned and else I will do print your item will be delivered but shortly by resub. So in this way, searching for delivery partner, because why? The value of delivery partner is none. But after some time, if the delivery partner value is assigned, and if I am giving here resub, and so it will be taking your item will be delivered shortly by resub. So and something, if you have noticed here, something key I have used here is none in place of double equal to. Why? Because in Python, like double equal to is not required. It is checking because none is a single special object, and each check its identity. So these are the some of the program which we can write using a none type. I have given some example of photo uploading in your Instagram if you haven't uploaded. So there initially it is done, but again you have uploaded, so it will taking some value. This I have written one program for food delivery if your partner has been assigned or not. But after some time, if it is assigned, then the value will come. Your item will be delivered shortly by result. So yes, in this way, like you can use a none type and avoid some mistake which generally like beginners do. So yes, this is it for today. So if you have found this video helpful, then do like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, because I am making videos every day which will be helpful for you in learning Python from a scratch till the AI project. So yes, subscribe it and share with your colleagues or your friend who are interested in learning Python. And you can comment or ask something if you have some doubt or any suggestion. So you can ask in the comment. I will try to answer all those doubts. So yes, thank you for today and have a good day now. Thank you.